Hey, it's Jay, and I hope you're all doing well in this crazy and bizarre time. A few weeks ago, I filmed a video with Adrienne about how to sanitize your home. I released it last week. During that time, I filmed another segment with her on how to make your own hand sanitizer. The segment didn't fit into the flow of the video from last week, so I decided to use it as a bonus clip right here. The thing that makes this video clip a little unique is that we actually used an aloe vera plant from my neighbor's backyard. A little shout out to Danny and Michelle, thank you guys. Before we move on, I was really glad to hear from one of our winners of the 1,000 subscriber smart plug giveaway, which is definitely a mouthful. He sent a clip in, which is really cool, so I'm gonna include it here.
Pete, wake up. Pete, today's the day.
Today's the day? I feel like a kid at Christmas. Alright, I wonder what I can turn on with these. Maybe my lamp. Maybe my lamp.
Later.
Okay, Google. Turn on all smart plugs.
Okay, turning 2 outlets on.
Wait, 2 outlets?
Hey Pete, is there something you want?
Okay, Google. Turn off all lights.
Swing! We still know that soap is like the most effective way of cleaning our hands, right? But
you cannot wash your hands when you are out in the store. So you want to make sure you are carrying, if you don't have any hand sanitizer, and you can make your own, and you can make sure you're carrying your own hand sanitizer.
we actually looked through our house. We were trying to find some aloe vera because you figure like kids with sunburn in Florida we'd probably have some, but we didn't have any, so.
Which is a good thing because today we can demonstrate if you don't find any aloe vera products on the shelves.
We improvised.
We improvised. All right, we just have to literally cut the bad part of it and cut it half. And try not to cut myself. And just scrape off the middle. And it's
So you can see how like
it's fresh.
it is very fresh.
Trying to scrape.
Yeah. So you can almost like scoop it.
Yeah.
We've got some 70% or better isopropyl alcohol.
I don't think I'm gonna use all of these because if you have a bigger spray bottle, then you can use all of that. But
Sure, we don't need as much.
We don't need that much today.
Yeah.
And we can use a couple of drops of tea tree oil.
Tree oil or rosemary oil.
Yeah, rosemary oil.
It's pretty cool. This essential oil is awesome. So what we'll do is
just blend it together, yeah. It's better.
yeah, a little more consistent. Ooh.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually like kind of slippery, and
It is slippery.
you feel that slippery from the aloe vera.
It's strong.
Yeah.
You might get pulled over by the carpet.
Well, just you just let it evaporate, and then it goes away. You know what? After it evaporates,
It's gone.
yeah, the smell is gone. My hand just smells like very neutral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clean.
Cool.